Accident is unplanned event that may harm to you and damage to company property. But we can avoid accident by placing safety at the top of our priority. In working at heights 1.8 meters and above, the hierarchy of safety measure must be followed to prevent falls from heights. The provisions of properly constructed working platforms, complete with top rails, mid rails, two boards, planks, access ladder, updated green scaffold, inspected by a scaffolding inspector, scaffolding platforms constructed by competent scaffolder, that it means safe to use. Before you climb a ladder of the platforms, check the rungs before you go up to make it sure the rungs in a good condition. Individual fall restrainers, full body harness should be worn and apply 100% tie-off. Hook your lanyards into the strong point of the platforms.